Okay, so what you're gonna all bear with me right now is that I'm the only one behind this screen and I'm using one hand to hold the camera. Okay, so I may not be able to draw the line on my chart as I'm talking to you. All right, so what I'm about to say this period is that, first of all, welcome to this channel, Forex Strategy Factory. This is a channel where we talk about Forex analysis, and we talk about indicators and tools that can help you in your own Forex journey. And then we talk about broker. We introduce you to a very good broker that we have been using, and they have a very good result with us from our own review. Now, this chart in front of me, as we're going to start, is the NZD JPY, New Zealand Japanese yen. Okay, now before I start saying anything about this pair, we want to talk first of correlations. Okay, the reason why this is the peak of the week for me is because I've looked at the correlations going on in the market, and I've seen the USD JPY is on its own way to the up. As you can see me, I'm touching with my stick. Okay, so the NZD JPY is going to pick that moves, and the NZD JPY will follow. Now, as I've seen, the USD JPY, based on correlation, has been going up. So what did I do? You see me now. I sit down in front of the NZD JPY because I know it's going to take that moves. So I'm waiting. This is why my peak is NZD JPY for next week. Okay, so what is going on with the NZD JPY right now? The movement you are seeing on the screen is that the NZD JPY have really started the upper moves, okay, by creating some lower wicks and then keep going up. You see, I'm touching it, keep going up. And there is no candlesticks that breaks the down after creating the wicks. Okay, so definitely it's pushing up. The momentum is up. Now, what am I going to do? The real point is the ability of the trader to be able to identify the trend. And then you wait. You go and wait for your own tools and indicators that will give you your entry signal based on the movement of the legs. Now I know this legs is going up, okay? But what am I doing? I'm waiting for what? For my own signal that is going to tell me to enter, okay? Because I'm not going to dive in, I'm not going to jump in, but I am waiting for my own signal to give me the perfect entry. Okay, this is the analysis. We're going up. We're waiting for our signal to tell us to, buy, to get into a buy entry. And our own exit is going to be these upper wicks right here. These upper wicks right here, which is the highest height of the legs on my chart, where the legs started coming down. This is the upper wicks. This is where our own take profit is going to be for now, based on this analysis, which is about 87.430. That is the analysis. A very simple analysis. Now, how do you know that something is going up? Like I've said it in my X videos, that when you see something going up, okay, it's going to be breaking the highs. Look at the high is broken. Okay, the high is broken. It's breaking high and going up, separating from the bottom. Okay, separating from the bottom, going up. That is when you know that something is moving high. Okay, so now a lot of traders, the problem they have is that they don't have a tool, a very good tool that gives them entry. Okay, if you're gonna come under the description of this video, okay, I show recommendation of only two tools that I use. One, I've been making video for years about it, is Forex Trading. Okay, I will put the link under this video. Forex Trading. That is the one that shows you the trend of a pair. Where is that pair trend going right now? The Forex Trading will tell you. Okay, many of you also know how to go and identify where the trend is going, maybe by going to Trading Views. A lot of you do that, but to me, I use the Forex Trading because it's going to be just a chart in my front. I can see it, you know. So if I get the Forex Trading showing me the trend direction, at least half of my problem is solved, because I know where the market is going. And the next, what am I waiting for? I wait for my entry signal. Okay, many of you don't have any good tools that shows you your entry, even that shows you your stop loss and your take profit, which is your exit. This is the problem. A lot of you always lose in Forex, because even you know how to place the best trade, but still you don't know where to get out. That's why you see many of traders, they make profit while the market is going in their favor, but when they trust the market, they go out, they come back, it's gone against them to go and hit stop loss, because you don't know where you're going to exit from. Okay, now there's a tool under the description of this video, okay, which is called the 1000 pips climber. 1000 pips climber. Okay, this by the name is going to give you 1000 pips, honestly, by the name itself, because it's going to help you to find a best entry along the trend. Now, when you combine the Forex Trading with the 1000 pips climber, that the Forex Trading is showing you the trend direction, now you know the kind of signal to wait for, and the 1000 pips climber will give you that trend signal, and that solves your problem, because it has helped you to do the most difficult part of the Forex by analyzing the market. Okay, you get your Forex Trading indicator, which is the technical analyst for you, and you get the 1000 pips climber system, which is your entry signal to the, you know, to the trend. How cool is that? How cool is that? It's one thing to try to know about Forex. It's another thing to try to get the right tools that is involved, the tools that can help you. Okay, now based on this analysis, today is November 25 or 26, 2022, in case you are watching in the future. So never you think that that is the analysis of that time. Observe the date I mentioned here. Okay, but this is valid throughout next week, from November 28th on Monday till the Friday of that week. 1 week. This is 1 week analysis on a 1 hour time frame of NZD JPY. In this video, you have learned about correlation, and you have learned about the tools that can help you to follow whatever the market situation is at that moment. Right now, the market situation is going up. Okay, what I've learned about correlation is when the USD JPY is on its way to the upside, the NZD JPY will change and follow it. This is why I'm waiting now on the NZD JPY for next week, and I'm gonna dive in when my own, you know, indicator tells me to get in. Then I will get in, and my exit is gonna be up here, which is around 87.370, which is going to be the highest weeks right here. So I'm going to say thank you for this little analysis as you spend your time watching it. And you don't need to forget to give a subscribe to this channel, because this is exactly what I do on this channel. So, and many of you watch the video but still you've not give a thumbs up or thumbs down to really engage, and you have not subscribed. You gotta subscribe, because you don't want to be missing all these things. When you subscribe, push on the notification bell and push all, so that when I make video, you'll be the first set of people to get in. You understand? Now, this is where I say bye, that your boy is logging out. This is your boy Forex Strategy Factory. Don't forget to go to the description below. Get your tools, even if it's going to cost you money. Anything that is good really costs money. Anything that is going to help you, it costs money. Whatever is not going to cost money is not going to help you. This is me, your boy, signing out. Thank you for watching. Bye.